Hello friends, today we will make mango chutney which can be enjoyed with misi roti, parotha, thepla, etc. Let's see the ingredients. Raw mango cut into pieces, jaggery, jeera and other ingredients. We will first take a mixture jar and put in jaggery, mango pieces, jeera and salt to taste. All these ingredients will be ground into a fine paste. Here you can see the paste is ready. Now we will heat a pot and in that we will put oil and allow it to heat. Now add some methi seeds, jeera seeds and asafoetida, hing. Allow these things to crackle. Add a full red chili. Allow them to cook. And now add the fine paste that you have made of jaggery and mango. Mix it properly. And now we will add the seasoning into it. Red chili powder, turmeric powder, mix all the ingredients properly and give it a boil. Allow it to boil. Here your chutney is ready. So enjoy the sweet and sour mango chutney with any delicacy. Here we are having it with dudhi thepla. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share.